So hi everyone, my name is Marvy and I am here to share to you my overall experience during my observation and assistantship in the elementary laboratory school. So my overall experience made me respect the job more. So I observed there how to manage the classroom, how the teacher start the class, how they stay calm as if kanang naka-frustrate na sayang estudyante dili na malinaw, and how they manage the different behaviors of the students. So dagan kong na-realize, dagan kong natunan, and mas na-realize na ako nga kanang during our demo, I realized that I really love teaching. I really love this profession because teaching is really something na fulfilling, most especially pag na-appreciate students sa inyong buhat. Most especially if they say thank you for teaching them, like makamelt siya sa heart because wala pa ka sa field or something, dili pa ka trabaho, but they respect you as they respect their teachers. So it is really something na nakapa-realize ako or nakapantantog sa akong heart, and this is what I wanted to do, not for the rest of my life, but hangtod sa makaya na ako. And then teaching is, I know it is not easy, most especially they go teach me og kanang young learners, kanang mga sabtunon pa gyud og mga behaviors, and then dili gyud malikayan nga maka-encounter taog students nga kanang na special needs. So my experience during my observation and assistantship is really a big help because kanang nakabalo ko on how to manage them and how to help them